And where are we going? To Boracay. Dapat flight namin November 17, kaso dahil sa bagyong Pepito, na-cancel, kaya naging November 18 kami. Tapos sila mama, sila papa na iba yung flight, di kami nagkasabay. 3:30 pa sila, kami 1:30, kaya una kami. But happy? First time sa Mandarin Resort, VIP treatment din na parang kaya sarili na rin silang boat, pasakay na kami. Daddy Dong, Aliyah. Nanay. Bye. Thank you. Yay! Papunta na ng hotel. Nakatapos lang sa speedboat. Aliyah.
Go lang ba? Take night naman. Go lang.
That's
It's our bed! Thank you!
Ma'am, here po. This is your room key. And also, ma'am, is it okay po if I just take a picture around the room?
Okay.
Okay, so here you have your mini board. You have a mineral water, you give coffee, tea, sugar, and more. And then, so for your here po, you have bathrooms, you have the safe here for if you have any valuable items po. And then you have your hair dryer. We have extra houses po since bawal mag-have ang closest sa real estate.
Up the bed!
No.
Hi! Yay! Birthday celebration ni Mami! Batiin ko na yung sarili ko. Alina! Greet Mami! Hi! Lasa mo daw ang aking baby. Hi! Fourth time ko ngayon sa Boracay, pero first time namin dito sa Mandarin! I'm so happy! Ang ganda niya! Tsaka, smooth din yung transpo namin kanina. Asikaso kami sa van, tapos pagsakay ng boat, solo nga namin yung boat tapos van ulit, sobrang accommodating sila, tinutulungan nila kami sa luggages and all. At room tour, tingnan natin ng CR. May bathtub din pala. Here. There's a bathtub. Let's go. Siyempre, mas malaki pa rin ang CR natin sa bahay. Hindi na ako mag-house tour sa bahay, ha. Tignan nyo na lang ang mga stories ko. And this is our room. This is our big bed. Just like in our house. King-size bed. May baba. Sofa. Come here. Let's go. Let's see the view. You can also sit here. Oh, cute. And I love this one. Welcome to the heart of Boracay or Solina family. Let's see. Let's see.
That's the juice.
Let's go here. Let's take a look at the view. Toy. Wow, so pretty. So pretty. Let's take a picture here, Jin. Here, Jin, give mommy. Here. Dance, dance. Wala pa sila mama and papa and Tito Mark and Ninang Jamie. Yun yung anak namin, no? Excited na gumo out to. Yun, ikot-ikot na kami sa Boracay. Yay! Time check. 4:47 na. Let's go.
card na sa'yo.
Asa mga wallet?
Ano ka ba yan?
Hindi na ako nagdala ng ng sombrero. Ikot-ikot muna kami. Yung anak namin, ayaw na papigil. Ay, asa na yun. Jean, we're going to the beach. Hi! Lalabas na kami ng Mandarin Bay. Ikot-ikot sa beach. We're going to the beach. Very good. Who's kulit? Yes, you're kulit, Jean.
You're not listening.
finally complete. Nandito na yung parents ko. Ngayon naman, naantay na lang namin sila kasi mas check-in sila. And it's dinner time. 59. Dito.
Birthday, Jay!
Thank you!
My birthday, anak, AJ.
Thank you! Aliyah, smile! Aliyah, look at mommy!
Mato.
Pete. We're heading out for dinner. We're going to look for a restaurant. We're going to the mall. Here in Boracay. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Yay. Thank you.
Hello, Mandarin. Thank you, Mandarin.
Sige ako.
Tangis. Tangis.
Tapa. Video.
Good dog.
Go, mama. Now here in our room. Hi, Jin. Say hi. Aliyah is watching her favorite show, Bluey. Tapos na maligo ang aking baby loves. Chill na lang kami ngayong gabi. Ako rin maliligo. Tapos si Aliyah nakain pa. Ayan, napakatagal kumain ng anak ko eh. Tulog kasi siya nung kumakain kami sa Spice Bird. Kaya take out na lang kay Aliyah. Excited na ako bukas! Birthday ko na! Yay! We're going to have a family photoshoot tomorrow after ng breakfast namin. And then, siguro magpaparasailing din kami bukas. Ayun lang! That's all for today. Good night! Sana ma-edit ko tong video na to. Agad, tambak na naman si Mami.